Well, that's fucked. He thought he was going to get himself a fucking blowjob. And instead he got shot in the face. Yes, people, it's Packetson and welcome back to the fucking show. Welcome, hello. How are we all doing? Yeah, we're doing the plugged in that we missed yesterday. Fucking hell. You know, they mugged me up a little bit there. But who doesn't want to listen to three geezers rapping about murder? I mean, it's literally my favourite thing to do. Right, 6'7". Now, for anyone who doesn't know, you probably all know. It's pointless me saying this. This is 6'7". Yeah, the pioneers of UK drill. Okay, and these are the elders. Do we call them elders or elders? Elders is saying like from fucking Lord of the Rings. Do we call them elders or elders? Dimzy, Monkey, and SJ. Now I didn't know there's a fucking third SJ. Everyone's already confused about there being two. Yeah. Now there's a fucking third in the mix. Come on, Kevin. Do you hear that? Yeah, would you say? You wanna go some boys?
Alright, Fumez, you're plugged in with some real drillers right now.
Oh!
You understand?
My man!
OSG.
That's an intro, mate, that is. He said, you know what, Fumez? I'm going to tell you what you're doing right now and who you're with. Alright?
You understand?
I get it, mate.
Jump out, gang. For the fucking members, come on.
Get him out!
You already know how we do it in style. 2 waps deep, man, do it in style. He got shot with 2 and your man's got shaved times 2. Fucking know that's wild. Watch get done, then he made a whole mixtape tweaking how.
What fucking is? What's that? A fucking fire alarm.
Got shaved times 2. Fucking know that's wild. Watch get done, then he made a whole mixtape tweaking how. I'm a winner with a 40 bait. Jump out, gang, you know the 40 bowed. Big men running and diving walls, they leave their friends, I see it's foul.
Alright.
We just jumped back in the dinger and bro's trying to ling out the window again. Trying to scramble your homie's egg with these flat heads, scrambled egg.
Fumez is feeling it, mate. He's like this. Oh, what a lad. What a lad. Let's pull that up a bit.
In walls, they leave their friends, I see it's foul. We just jumped back in the dinger and bro's trying to ling out the window again.
Again!
Trying to scramble your homie's egg with these flat heads, scrambled egg. Your man's was tweaking, now he's a Zed. The 60s done it on bike, done it in cars, done it on peds. We got down, done it and fled.
I love the ad-lib. Is it a cat? Is it a car? Who knows?
Done it in cars, done it on peds. We got down, done it and fled. They only talk bad on the gang cause all of them felt some pain and bled. Got done trying to copy my phone. The guys left the tip in the mess.
What's that fucking noise in the background? I don't want it. Get rid of it. It's hurting my fucking ears, son. Alright? You don't make me tell you twice, boy. Oh,
some pain and bled. Got done trying to copy my phone. The guys left the tip in the mess.
Diamonds twerk like a bitch on a pole. This a family, bitch in your role. Used to hit shots to the back of the road, the front of the alley, you know how it goes. Told it wash on a man's block touring, lit it up like we starting some coal. You ain't lucky like get shot and you go talking hammers, you copped it in low.
Is that how they're censoring things? With that fucking awful beep?
Lit it up like we starting some coal. You ain't lucky like get shot and you go talking hammers.
Why would you choose that? Anything but that. Alright? I swear to God, man.
On a man's block touring, lit it up like we starting some coal. You ain't lucky like get shot and you go talking hammers, you copped it in low. Lost waps, had to get some more. The ops just rap, they ain't even a score. Too much chat, come rise some more. Multiple dead I can name, but blood in, blood out. My nigga scroll had wax from run outs. Minimum step, pee up all the wap out. Smoked the L when your homie tapped out.
Who can tell me what I've been outside? I wet man up, I've con on ops numerous times. Have you seen con hit man and make man jump? He's
done the lot, bruv! Yeah? He's done it all, mate!
Outside I wet man up, I've con on ops numerous times. Have you seen con hit man and make man jump? He's with Scotty and he chat runts. Look like you try keep it quiet, but free my ski cause he chefed that up. Just the other day man jumped out and he made the cab man swerve and dust. You know getting man down is essential. Man only got fear of God. Taking the risk ain't new to the man them. Try know that we been them tugs. When you wake up.
If you have the fear of God, right? Then you probably shouldn't be killing people. Because my man will put you straight to hell, alright? Yeah, my man good, man. He's a nutter, my fella. My man.
The day man jumped out and He made the cabman swerve and dust. You know, getting man down is essential.
Oh!
Man only got fear of God.
Oh!
The risk ain't new to the man them.
Oh, man.
I know that we been them tugs. When you wake up, do you get to the bag? Cause you can't be at war if you got no funds. No, that can't work, my G. I heard the ops want murder we.
Yeah.
Calling us personally.
Yeah, this guy's sick. This guy is sick. This is who I like. This guy. What's this guy? Who is this SJ? I don't know what I'm doing, do I?
No, that
Listen, it's sick. Listen, ready?
can't work, my G. I heard the ops want murder we.
Outflow.
All beat calling us personally. That rap ain't mash no work, so they way they rap tread carefully. It was all this and that next thing, don't need help urgently. Hell up, had surgery, a good few went permanently.
Oh, fucking hell. Hella Ops had surgery. Some went permanently. Beautiful!
And that next thing, don't need help urgently. Hell up, had surgery, a good few went permanently.
Yeah, we got it, mate. Yeah, we got it. You didn't need the ad-lub. Ad-lub? Oi, loving the ad-lubs.
Urgently, hell up, had surgery, a good few went permanently.
Dead on.
Fumez, the engineer.
No, I like that. Do we get a different beat? Yes. Glad we get a different beat. I did like it, but I'm glad we get a different beat. The third guy bodied that. I think that geezer just went. He bodied it, bruv. Bodied it.
Glass of water 2 out now. 3 all the guys, 3 Skib, 3 M, 3 C rolls, 3 ASAP, 3 ST,
You know, a lot of
3
people
Itch,
ask us how
Free the
it's
lads.
funded, where
Get 'em
you
out.
get your money from.
3 small.
Come on.
Answer?
Scratched off from the car, not keyed it.
Oh, he's only coming in again. And we got a C-Dot beat. C-Dot did the last 6-7 beat, which I didn't like. So
Where do you get your money from?
3 small.
Simple
let's
answer.
go. Let's see what we're saying.
Scratched off from the car, not keyed it. Each and every the words, man, mean it. If it's live, you know it got beated. The
Much better.
When he got deleted.
Oh,
Can't
yes.
You ain't seen it. No one ain't rubbed. We undefeated. Countless man got caught and pleaded.
Hello?
Ching his scalp receding. We take risks like bro from Brompton. Got bun and he almost rubbed out. Got chef and
Ah, fuck off. Oh, it's crazy. It's fucking litty up in here, brother. Yeah, let's put it up because I don't give a fuck.
no one ain't
It was sick.
live. You know it got
Let's pull his verse right up.
scratched off from the car, not keyed it. Each and every the words, man, mean it. If it's live, you know it got beated. The glee had the whistle and he got deleted.
Oh, yeah.
Ask me if I saw, ain't seen it. No one ain't rubbed. We undefeated.
Oh.
This man got caught and pleaded. Headshot ching and his scalp receding. We take risks like
Head top scalp, or what do you say? Hold on.
undefeated. Countless man got caught and pleaded. Headshot ching and his scalp receding.
Oh, I like it, mate. That's a bar, bruv. It's a violation and it's a bar.
No one ain't rubbed. We undefeated. Countless man got caught and pleaded. Headshot ching and his scalp receding. We take risks like bro from Brompton. Got bun and he almost rubbed out. Got chef and cut out. Nosy lads, he's done out. 4-4.
No.
Spun and dropped.
Stop it.
Thought he's hit.
Stop it. Yeah? If you're going to use that sound effect for the fucking censoring, stop saying names. You're giving me fucking tinnitus or something, mate, yeah? Fuck.
Cut out. Nosy lads, he's done out. 4-4. Spun and dropped. Thought he's hitting a shot. Thought it was a scrum and guess what, man, them still got the thoughts.
No debate. When we step on your block, we just trying to put one on the top. Bro got locked, cause he made stop, took him out of a frame, he got cropped. Tore your block like we came to Bangkok, cause he made stop, took him out of a frame, he got cropped. Tore your block like we came to Bangkok. Ain't got no gloves, doing grip it with socks. Talking war, then my brothers, we move like the SWAT. Hop out, I wish let it rock. Yo, I got faith in bro and his foot down scurrying.
Yeah.
To a German for the truck.
Love the beat, yeah? I love a beat with vocals like that. Very dramatic. Sorry. That's probably quite annoying, right? I can't help it. Sometimes I need a little bit of sugar. Love the beat, by the way. Solid beat. Sick vocals. Dramatic. It's great.
Not suburban. Check the alleys, foot down scurrying. Turn a Nissan to a German for the truck. Not suburban. Check the alleys when we swerving. Ain't tryna hit up an innocent person. Pop smoke, we ain't into cursing. Politics, you gon' need a surgeon.
When catfish gangs on a hunt, it's the first to get done. Thought
Okay.
he was gonna get top, but he got himself, didn't get slot. You know what, coming if you get
Well, that's fuck. He thought he was going to get himself a fucking blowjob. And instead he got shot in the face.
first to get done. Thought he was gonna get top, but he got himself, didn't get slot. You know what, coming if you get us a drop. Wherever you are, man's riding along. Carbine strong, no ping pong. Fling it, we're gone. 60s roll anywhere ganging. Your man's got What you know about sliding the ops, taping it up, slide back and check if it's locked. He got, and he got, and he got. The list is long, I'll be here all day just naming ops.
Two-step on your block, all fun that works. Either way, take risk and prosper. Yeah. No fist fight, man ain't a boxer. Nah. Grab the boots, let's play some soccer. On attack, like Mbappe, blicking my hand as I hop out the passy. Anything get smoked like Kelly, the gang seem home free, Elfie, Mally.
Wagwan for these dickheads. The 6 ain't felt no get back. Then he meant that, all that rap cat man can't respect that. Two rats, me and M3. Should I paint that block with a head back? Nearly all the man then went bin and they thought was done. That's a minor setback.
Yes!
Everyone knows that I love me some runts. He was tweaking away, now he's nothing but runts. Skunk.
What the fuck is runts?
Runts. He was tweaking away.
Why are they smoking runts? You know, what's a runt? Isn't that like a younger sibling? He's not, I don't know, hopefully not, lads.
Now he's nothing but runts. Skunk. Took shots to the face, to the chest. No, he ain't thinking. Rami got. We done. How we done up. You know, we left them drunk.
Yeah, mate, my thoughts exactly, Fumes, yeah? My thoughts exactly. It's just brutal, mate. It's just brutal, yeah?
How we done up. You know, we left them drunk.
Fumez, the engineer.
Yeah. I really liked it. Beat 1 Vinny, beat 2 C-Dot. I loved the seat. I loved... sorry, I just went a bit weird there, didn't I? I really liked the C-Dot beat, yeah. Which is good because I didn't like his other 6-7 beat from the other plugged in the other day. It is what it is, mate. I'm glad they moved on to the second beat. As the first beat was good, but it wasn't like, you know, my favourite kind of beat. So the second beat really brought it back as a whole for me, yeah? Really rated it. The person I thought absolutely bodied it was, I'm pretty sure it's SJ, the guy I liked. SJ. Yeah. So yeah, good job everyone. Well done. Good job. Really well done. Oh, now, see you later.